In this video, let us see how to find rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Okay. Now suppose you are given the natural number 1 and 7. Then you know that between 1 and 7, which are the natural numbers? They are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the natural numbers between 1 and 7. Suppose you are asked to find the number of natural integers between minus 6 and 3. So how many integers are there between minus 6 and 3? It is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So between these two integers, you know there are these many integers. Now if you look at both these examples, then you can find finite number of integers or natural numbers between given two natural numbers or integers. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 natural numbers between 1 and 7. Here between minus 6 and 3 there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 natural numbers between them. So there are definite numbers. Now suppose you want to find how many integers are there, rational numbers are there between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. So let us see between 3 upon 10, next rational number will be 4 upon 10, then 5 upon 10, 6 upon 10 and then it is 7 upon 10. So you see that there are 3 rational numbers between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. But you know that 3 upon 10 can be written as 30 upon 100. If I multiply numerator and the denominator by 10, then I will get this as 30 upon 100. Similarly, what can we write 7 upon 10 as? 7 upon 10 can be written as 70 upon 100. So now how many rational numbers are there between 30 upon 100 and 70 upon 100? You'll see it is 31 upon 100, 32 upon 100, 33 upon 100 and so on, and the previous number to this will be 69 upon 100. So you see here you got only 3, but if I write these rational numbers in this form, then I will get some more, correct? Now if I write 3 upon 10, if I multiply this by say 1000, then I will get this as 3000 upon 10,000 and 7,000 upon 10,000. Now how many numbers will be there between these? It will be 3001 upon 10,000, 3002 upon 10,000 and so on, and 6999 upon 10,000. So you see there are some more numbers between these two numbers. So from these two examples, you can see that the number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers is not finite. So if you take any rational number, then you can find countless rational numbers between those two rational numbers. Okay, so like natural numbers and integers, there you can find finite number of natural numbers or integers between any two given numbers. But when it comes to rational numbers, if you are given two rational numbers, then you can find infinite number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Let us take an example. Write any 3 rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. Now how can I write minus 2 as? Minus 2 can be written as minus 2 upon 1. Correct? Now this if I multiply it by 10, then I will get this as minus 20 upon 10. And 0 can be written as 0 upon 10. So I have to find 3 rational numbers between minus 20 upon 10 and 0 upon 10. Now how many rational numbers are there between these two? You will have minus 9 upon 10, 19 upon 10, minus 18 upon 10, minus 17 upon 10 and so on, and before 0 is minus 1, so minus 1 upon 10. So you will have so many rational numbers between minus 2 and 0, and you can choose any three rational numbers between these. So I can take minus 19 upon 10, minus 17 upon 10 and say minus 5 upon 10. So I can choose any three rational numbers from this set of rational numbers, because only three rational numbers are asked to be found. Let us take another example. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 5 upon 6 and 5 upon 8. So here you are asked to find 10 rational numbers between minus 5 upon 6 and 5 upon 8. Now if you look at the two rational numbers, you will see that these two rational numbers do not have the same denominator. Since they don't have the same denominator, your first step is to make the denominator same. Otherwise, it is not possible, or it's difficult to find rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So our first step is to make the denominators same. So how to make the denominators same? We can make the denominators same by taking LCM. So what is the LCM of 6 and 8? If you find the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Okay. Now, in order to make the denominators same, what we shall do is, we shall multiply the numerator and denominator of each of these rational numbers by 24. So let us take the first rational number, minus 5 upon 6. So minus 5 upon 6 multiplied by 24 upon 24. Then I'll get 6 ones are 6 fours are 24, and this is equal to minus 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 20. So minus 20 upon 24. So minus 5 upon 6 can be written as minus 20 upon 24. If you cancel, you'll get the same thing. So this is 4 5s are 20 and 4 6 are 24. So it is same as minus 5 upon 6. So this is a reduced form of this rational number. Now similarly, we can do it for 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8 is the second rational number. So 5 upon 8 multiplied by 24 upon 24. Now 8 ones are 8 threes are 24. So this is equal to 5 multiplied by 3, 15 upon 24. So this rational number can be written as 15 upon 24. Now you can see both the rational numbers have the same denominator. So now since they have the same denominator, we can find rational numbers between them. So which are the rational numbers between minus 20 upon 24 and 15 upon 24? It is minus 19 upon 24, minus 18 upon 24, minus 17 upon 24, and so on. And just a number just before this will be 14 upon 24. So you have so many rational numbers between them. So you can choose any 10 rational numbers from this set of rational numbers to find 10 rational numbers between minus 5 upon 6 and 5 upon 12. So these are some of the examples where you can find rational numbers between given any two rational numbers. So your first step is, suppose you have two numbers like this, 1 upon 10 and say 3 upon 10. Then you can, and you are asked to find two rational numbers or one rational number between this, then it is 2 upon 10. If you are asked to find say 5 rational numbers between this, then what you have to do, if you are asked to find 5 rational numbers, then you know the rational number after this is 2 upon 10. So with this I cannot find say 5 rational numbers. So I have to multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by 10. So I'll get this as 10 upon 100. And 3 upon 10 also can be multiplied and divided by 10. So I get 30 upon 100. So now the two numbers are 10 upon 100 and 30 upon 100. Can I find rational numbers between these two? Yes, I can find. Next one is 11 upon 100. Then you have 12 upon 100. Then you have 13 upon 100 and so on. And the next one, last 1 will be 29 upon 100. So these are the rational numbers between these two numbers, or between 1 upon 10 and 3 upon 10. These are the rational numbers. From this I can choose any 5 rational numbers to find the 5 rational numbers between 1 upon 10 and 3 upon 10. This is the second example. Next, if you are given two rational numbers, say 2 upon 5 and say 7 upon 8, then you know these two rational numbers do not have the common or same denominator. So your first step is to make the denominator same. So once you make the denominator same, you multiply and divide that rational number with the LCM. Then after that you will get two rational numbers which will have the same denominator. So what you can do is you can then find rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. So these are the different types of problems that you can solve where you have to find rational numbers between given any two rational numbers.